Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ing Diof. In today's video, we are reviewing this wig from Angel Grace Hair. It is 12 inches, 150 density, and super affordable, and we are going to be installing it. So first thing first, I do my temporary glue method with the Got2b spray, and I just spray down my edges and then lay down the wig. So this wig was very easy to lay down. It usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to lay down the wig with my temporary method, but in this case, it was about 8 to 10 minutes. So after you lay down the wig, you're just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace so that you can apply your foundation so that it could be the same color skin as you. So right here, I just took some alcohol and I'm just wiping off all the dry glue. I did not realize that the dry glue would be so intense as it is. And towards the end of the video, it was still the same, but in person, it looks natural. So now we're just going to get some powder that's about your color skin and just make sure that it all blends in. So I just wanted to show you guys how natural this wig looks. I know it's a little bit messy, but I'm gonna fix it. And yeah, guys, this wig is very natural. And when it comes to baby hairs, I'm always trying to be on the natural side. I don't want it to look like a whole blown out frontal. I want it to look like, is that a wig or is that her hair? You know? So right here, I'm just putting concealer on my part so that it could be more visible, just so you guys can see it a little bit more. So guys, as you can see, the dry glue is still there, but nobody's really looking at that. It's gonna be covered. I'm just worried about the front. So I did the cutting off camera because I didn't have another mirror, but the cutting was straightforward. The wig is already 12 inches, so I just had to do a little bit cutting, and now I'm just bumping the ends. So guys, this is how the wig ended up looking. I did my makeup off camera. I just want to say shout out to Angel Grace Hair for sending me this wig. All the information is going to be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.